Hi, it's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to use a digital cutter to cut cork. Cork is a versatile material that can be used for a variety of applications, including packaging, construction, automotive, footwear, insulation, soundproofing. And with a digital cutter, you can easily cut cork into any shape or size you need. The precision of a digital cutter for corkboard cutting depends on a number of factors, including the type of digital cutter, the cutting blade, and the cutting settings. However, in general, Omni digital cutter can achieve a cutting accuracy of up to 0.1 mm. This means that the digital cutter can cut corkboard to within a tolerance of 0.1 mm. So if you're looking for a precise cut for your corkboard cutting, whatever your industry or packaging, displaying, signage, automotive, interior, decoration, a digital cutter is your right choice.